Good evening, Dr. Sandhya.
Good.
I wanted to ask you a question regarding the fact that in humans, one of the most significant characteristics is that we all make mistakes. And how are we supposed to forgive ourselves when constantly some mistake which we made at some point of time are reminded to us at every step of life?
This is this is a question I think which everybody can connect to, even me. Life is filled with mistakes, and interestingly, mistakes are like wounds, whether we like it or not. Some wounds heal completely, others they take time. They have to heal, but the marks remain, external or internal. Certain marks are can be carried even to the next life. Just because we change, we cannot rewind in time. And as I had said in one of my previous videos, our present is the result of our past. There's no question of being reminded again and again. It's a fact that our present is built on our past. While it is true that to grow, we should not live in our past, it's equally true that we do not forget what we are and the purpose of our current journey. What our past has done to us and to the people around us cannot be changed. Also, we have control over our actions, but not over others' actions. For example, the sun has control over its power to give light, but even the sun cannot change the direction of the clouds blocking its light from the world. Sun also cannot make any changes in the movement of the earth. However, just because the rays are not reaching the people, sun cannot stop giving light, heat, and energy. It has to continue to do so, and uh, while doing it, it has to be relentless. Otherwise, life on earth will cease to exist. Eventually, the clouds, the way the clouds are blocking the sun, similarly, we have to continue to do what we are doing. Eventually, the clouds of doubt that are there in the other's mind regarding us will move away, at least for some time. They may come again. Depending upon the season, life always comes full circle. For example, the sun doesn't wait for the clouds to move away, it keeps shining. But there's one thing, the next spring season will not be exactly the same as the previous. Now, mind you, if it is what I'm trying to say over here is everything changes, even you as well as the other people. If no changes are happening, that means no lessons are being learned. So the time doesn't completely wash away everything. Each person's present is a sum total of each incident of one's past. Each good incident adds to the glory, and bad incidents bring its clouds. But both are absolutely required to shape our present, to make it eventful. Even after the bad rains, if the farmer doesn't prepare the field by plowing, by sowing, by caring for the field with the same dedication, and that too in time for the next harvest, no force of nature can help the farmer in getting a good harvest. So the lesson over here is you keep doing your part with the same dedication if you want to be like the sun. Introspect, correct your approach, and be kind. Eventually, believe that the season will change. The greenery will return. Nobody knows when. You just need to be patient. The world around will get the harvest and see the prosperity and the happiness. They will then start enjoying your presence as the sun in their life. This future will eventually be a reality only if you continue your part of the work. Remember, the next time someone reminds you of your past, just think of the sun and continue to play your part. Seasons have to change, times have to change, people will notice. One most important fact of life is that the way others are chosen to play a role in your life, you have been chosen to play a role in their life. Each of us is not the reason for things to happen, but a means for things to happen, good as well as bad. Whatever are happening are as per the Almighty's plan, be it Allah, Ishwar, or Jesus. Each of us, like the sun, are just parts of that larger universe. We are here to play a role. The answer is simple. Just play it. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I think that in spite of the fact that some people might be stuck on who I was at a given point of time in my past, but still it is important that I move on from any mistake or any bad doing which I might have done in the past. And forgiveness comes from within. And whether other people's opinions of me changes or does not change, it is important that I forgive myself and I move on and I believe in myself. So thank you for those insights.
Yes, very good point, Anushri. Learn to forgive yourself first. As I said, you are not, don't blame yourself for everything wrong that happens. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. As long as we are learning from it, I think that is the main.